Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make music sound muffled in CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and here as you can see I have imported my sound or my music to this project. And first of all, if we want to make our music sound muffled, we can click on the music and click on the music again, and we have to go to the voice effect. We're going to use a voice effect to make our music sound muffled. Click on the voice effect, and here we have to select the retro category. In this retro category, there are some effects we can use to make our music sound muffled. There are microphone, lo-fi, and vinyl. This one, and I'm going to show you one by one. This is for the final effect. Okay, and lo-fi, and the last one is megaphone. Okay, and I think the megaphone is better, so I'm gonna select this and megaphone voice effect. We can adjust the strength if we want, and once we're done we just need to click on this check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our music sound muffled in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.